Oh, good. I got the other tug toy in there. Oh, I still got the pillow in there too. You haven't had this in a while. What about this one? What about this one? She said, get that crap out of here. As long as you got a chubba wubba in that thing, that's what I'm playing with. Oh, I missed. I got it, girl. I got it, girl. I got it, girl. That's mine. Oh, yeah. Oh, get that tail. Oh, get that tail. Ah, yeah. What about that foot? What about that foot? Oh, what about that foot? What about your nubbins? Oh, my gosh. Ready to drop it? On the side? Wrong one. Hey, there you go. Yes. Oh, man. Straight up and down. And to the left. Kind of trying to shovel past it. Trying to shovel past it to you. Oh, see how patient she can be sometimes? It's like, I'm waiting for you to get it, dude, so the fun can start. Sometimes that resistance away works against me with her. Oh, see it like right there. I almost fell on my booty hole. Ready to drop it? Heel. Good girl. Middle. I thought she was going. Yes. What you want now, girl? Give me that. Oh, yeah. It's my toy. Oh, no, you can't steal it from me. You can't get it from me. You're a strong, fighting girl. But I'm a dude. Drop it. Down. All the way. There you go. Ready, heel. Oh, good ticks. Come on. Come on. Good. Come on. Come on. Good. Come on. Easy, girl. Can't get it to slow down right here. What if I hold the toy? No. Right, so usually you can hold the toy right there. Come on. Not with her. Yes. Because she stopped and waited. I don't know. It's trying to get a couple steps. She does good. Slip lead walking for the most, on the walk for the most part. When we're with the boys, when she's by herself, she'll like stop and then go flying by, even on the thing. I haven't done a lot of hill drills with her. We mostly do long line walks, or like in the afternoon, it's kind of a free walk, but on the slip lead. So like she kind of stays with me, but it's a lot of fast and slow. Give me that. Give me that. Ha! I snuck it in there. I snuck the left hand. That was the okey doke. Show this one and give the other one. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, girl. Oh. Oh. Ah. Ready to drop it? That's a good girl. Middle? Come on. Nope. Yeah, you did the spin in front. Front. Good. Yes. I need to give her a big long throw. Will you chase the ball? Oh, I brought this other ball. That's interesting. I think these guys know each other. He's letting his dog jump all over this guy. You hear? I think I got a new one of these. This is the one I take to Oscar. But she likes that chuck it ball. You like that chuck it ball, right? Good man. Well, you got the handle. Ready? Drop it. Okay. Ah, get the ball, girl. Ow. It's too stiff from all. Drop it. Ready? Oh crap. Oh, and it's windy, so I think that's another thing the mics are good for. Is even when it's windy, it blocks a lot of it. These Bluetooth, when it's windy, it picks up like everything. All this. So it depends on if the wind's coming in you. I think if the wind's going behind you, it doesn't. The thing about the mic is it kills the battery on the camera phone. And this particular one, the more you plug in and out, it starts having problems in the port. Like I am having problems in the port. Even just charging it. You throw it to yourself, girl? Huh? You can throw it to yourself. But that could be a me thing. It could be an old man thing. You have problems, old man. Give me that. Give me that. Are you tired? Okay. There we go. See that? I didn't get a good flip. She got my hand, but she knew and stopped. What's going on, buddy? I think it feels like we're gonna have a good day. They've been fooling me in the morning, so. Okay. Aha, good. Okay. Little bitty scratch. My old man skin. My younger days, that wouldn't have been nothing. That's what happens when you don't get the toy up sideways. They're gonna get you, and you can't get mad at the dog, like a lot of people will. Oh no, get my hand. Problem is, you didn't get the toy right. Always make sure you got the toy right before you get mad. So they're going for your hand. You'll know it. And it seems like most of them can tell. Maybe not if they're in super high drive, right? Maybe they can't tell the difference between your hand and the toy because they're focused. That's why it's important to have your mechanics good. You have to have good mechanics or deal with it. Oh, yeah. Get it, girl. One more throw. Should I make you do anything for it or just give you a throw? Oh. Phew. Ha ha ha. Hey, maybe that's the way to do it. So it more and short so she can go past it and spin around and get it. Maybe that's the way I should be doing it with her. I got to where every couple of times I had a good distance where she would get it without falling. Sometimes if it's too far, she's got too much juice going and then she tries to get it and she flips over. And if it's too short, she tries to get it instead of running past like she just did there. Because she'll see it and she'll try to get it and flip over. you looking at, girl? Anyways, it's 10 minutes. Gabby, come. That's my good girl. Good job. Yeah.